In this video, we will explore the difference between named volumes and anonymous volumes in Docker. We'll cover what they are, how they work, and when to use each type. We will also discuss Docker volume types and their use cases. Docker volumes are persistent storage mechanisms that allow data to survive container restarts and removals. They provide a way to share data between containers and the host system. This ensures that important data is not lost when containers are stopped, deleted, or recreated. Think of it as a separate hard drive for your container. Anonymous volumes are temporary volumes created automatically by Docker when no name is specified. They are removed when the container is deleted and cannot be reused by other containers. Consider them as temporary storage space that is automatically cleaned up after use. Here are some examples of the command for creating anonymous volumes. Docker run flag v/app/data myapp. Another way is Docker run flag mount type equals volume target equals /app/data myapp. Named volumes are persistent volumes with explicit names that can be shared across containers. They survive container removal and can be reused by multiple containers. Named volumes provide a way to manage and reuse storage across different containers. Here are some examples of the command for creating named volumes. Docker run flag v myvolume /app/data myapp. Another way is Docker run flag mount source equals myvolume target equals /app/data myapp. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between anonymous and named volumes. Anonymous volumes are temporary storage, have auto-generated names, are removed with the container, and cannot be shared. Named volumes, on the other hand, offer persistent storage, allow custom names, survive container removal, and can be shared among multiple containers. Anonymous volumes are best suited for testing and development when you need temporary storage for short-lived containers. They are also useful for cache storage, for temporary files that don't need to persist beyond the container lifecycle. Named volumes are ideal for database storage, when you need persistent data that survives container updates. They are beneficial for shared data, when multiple containers need to access the same data. Also for production environments, for applications requiring reliable data persistence. In summary, anonymous volumes are for temporary storage for short-lived containers and testing scenarios, while named volumes are for persistent storage for production databases and shared data. Choose the right volume type based on your data persistence requirements and container lifecycle needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.